I'm going to take you through the entire process on how to get your vehicle fixed at Soerens Ford Collision Center after your accident. First step is to determine whether it's going through insurance or you're paying out of pocket. Some insurance companies will write a virtual estimate for you.
Virtual!
Or you can come here and we'd be happy to write the estimate for you to either turn it into your insurance company or pay for it on your own.
Once you're ready to begin the repair, then we'll get started. Hey Tom, let's get this car started!
When available, we also have a free loaner car program. While your vehicle's in for repair, we will provide you with a timeline and give you updates every other day. Come and get it, come and get it, come and get it! As soon as your vehicle is done, we will call you to come and pick it up. We keep the process simple, because that's so Soerens.